Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm making these beautiful crispy mini pastries, where even the crust turns out fantastic. Listen to that crunch. So soft inside. First activate the yeast. 30 grams fresh or 8 grams dry yeast. Place in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix and let rest 10 minutes to activate while preparing other ingredients. Place 700 grams of soft flour in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Make a small well in the center. Pour in the activated yeast. 250 milliliters of water. And about 20-30 milliliters of oil. First mix with a spoon, then knead by hand. Transfer nearly kneaded dough to work surface. Dust with flour and knead briefly. Add 2 to 3 pinches of flour to prevent sticking. Shape into a circle and divide into 4 parts. Shape each portion into a ball. Cover shaped dough. Dust with flour, cover with cloth, and let rise 30 minutes. Take 1 dough portion, set aside the other 3. Roll out as thin as possible using some flour. Brush with 50 grams of melted butter. For 4 sheets, use 200 grams of melted butter. Fold this side over like this and stretch slightly. Then fold this side. Brush top with more butter. Then roll everything together. Set aside the rolled dough. Repeat the same process. Dust tray with flour, arrange rolls, cover with plastic wrap, and freeze for 30 to 60 minutes. Remove from freezer, take one portion. After 45 minutes, dough is chilled but not frozen solid. First portion may be firmer and harder to roll, while others soften as they rest. Place baking tray nearby as reference for width. Cut rolled dough down the middle. Then add filling to both sides. Use any filling you prefer. I'm using cottage cheese. We just love cheese-filled pastries. If cheese isn't salty, add some salt. Fold each side over filling, then roll up. Repeat with top section. Place in baking tray. Repeat rolling process with remaining dough. After arranging strips, cut into portions. Now we've transformed strips into pastries. Brush pastries with beaten egg. Let it rest for 30 minutes, then preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake until golden. Before baking, sprinkle with sea salt. Pastries are done after baking for about 30 minutes. Leave as is for crispy top, or brush with butter for softer crust.